Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today I'm gonna show you how to check oil level on the car. Many persons have a problem how to check it correctly. So I'm gonna show you. This is very simple. You don't need care about, anyone is able to do it himself, but many people scared to go to mechanic, go to service to check our oil level, but you don't need scare about, I will show you quickly how it is, so the dipstick is on the top of engine, usually like here, sometimes it's orange, sometimes it's yellow. The color is usually yellow on or orange, sometimes it's black, but it's easy to see it. The engine must be warm, should be warm, and ground level must be straight, we need to engine must be switched off, we need to pull dipstick, we need to wipe it, clean it from the oil, and we need to put it again to check the engine oil level. The dipstick got two marks usually. There is one mark, this minimum, from the bottom to there's minimum, here is maximum, usually dipstick looks similar. There's a few models of dipstick, you can have a look now. So now you can see how the dipstick looks. I will put dipstick again and we read level. Now we can see the level. Here is minimum, here is maximum. My engine oil level is dirty my dipstick is dirty in here, so the level is maximum. This is how to check it correctly. Thank you very much, guys. If you are happy with my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye. And just before you go, don't forget to put your dipstick where it was and close your bonnet. Thank you guys. See ya. Bye.